Hello everyone, my name is Jayashree Asopa. Today I am discussing with you classification of phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera belong to invertebrates. First we see meaning of Porifera. Porifera means pore and fera means beard. Pore beard animals we call that Porifera. First we see common character of Porifera. In the Porifera, approx 9,758 species are found. Phylum Porifera animals, they are solitary, colonial, freshwater and marine water animals. These animals found in a aquatic area. Its body like as a cylindrical, tubular, branched, circular. It means different shapes found in this type of animals, and in a very size also found this type of animals like as a 1 to 2000 centimeter approx its size. This phylum Porifera animals, they are stable one placed. It means survival their life in a one place. Its place fixed place, and its body levels cell organizations, multicellular bodies. It means this type of animals, phylum Porifera animals, tissues, organ systems, they all are absent, but multi cells are present in on their body. So cellular organization of this type of animals. Phylum Porifera animals show radial symmetry. In this type of animals, asymmetry and bilateral symmetry totally absent. Its body diploblastic. It means body divided into the two part, poenocyte cells and mesenchyma cells. In this type of animals, phylum Porifera animals show special features, canal systems. This type of animals represented a special type of system, we call that canal system. This canal system through completed every task in their body. Three type of canal systems found in a phylum Porifera: ascoid, ciscoid and leucoid. Also, in a phylum Porifera, two special features are found: ostia and osculum. Ostia through water enter into the body, and osculum through water exit from the body. These two special features mainly found in a phylum Porifera. Next, this type of animals, hermaphrodite animals, it means on a same body, male cells and female cells, both cells are found, so we call hermaphrodite animals. In phylum Porifera, a special and well developed regeneration capacity found in this type of animals. Also, in Porifera, a special features, different type of spicules are found in Porifera, like as a monoaxon spicules, tetraxon spicules, hexaxon spicules, triaxon spicules, and all spicules mainly formed by calcareous and silicous. Calcareous means calcium carbonate through formed, and silicous means cilia through formed. So we see this type main character of phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera divide into the three main classes. First, Calcarea, we also called Calci spongii. second Hylospongii, third Demospongia. We see character of Calcarea or Calcispongia. First, in this type of animals found in a deep water, marine water, otherwise fresh water, this type of animals, Calcarea class animals like as a flower pot like. These animals represented their body like as a flower pot. Its size approx 10 centimeter. Skeleton monoaxon, tri and tetraxon spicules through developed skeleton. In this type of animals, also found three type of canal system: ascon, siscon, and leucon, and all metabolic activity completed through the canal system. In the phylum class Calcarea, two subclasses are found. First, Calcaronia and Calcinia. It's examples of Leucosolia, Cycone. This is a special animals in the Calcaronia. Also we called Scypha. Its a main feature Calcaronia. Amphiblastula larva found in a Calcaronia, and coenocyte cells also found in this type of animals. Also flagella also found. Coenocyte cells formed special type of flagella. So Amphiblastula larva swim easily. Second subclass Calcinia. Its example Clethrina and Lucetta. In this type of animals found in a parenchyma larva, and also found in a coenocyte cells, but flagella absent in this type of larva. So we see character of Calcarea class. Second class Hylospongii. Hylospongii main features we also called glass sponge. Its body cylindrical, plate, otherwise flower pot like body. Its spicules formed through the silica. So we called silicous spicules. In this type of animals and class, triaxon, hexaaxon spicules are found. Spicules are small, hard and pointed structure, pointed cells we called spicules. So skeleton developed through the triaxon, hexaaxon spicules through. And in the Calcarea, calcareous spicules are found, and Hylospongea silicous spicules are found. This is the main difference between both. Second subclass, first subclass Hexasterophora and second subclass Amphidiscophora. This is a two subclasses in the class Hylospongea. Examples: in a Hexasterophora euplectella, we also called Venus flower basket. Its body elongated and surface to attached, and silicous spicules are found in silicous spicules cells are found in a Hexasterophora in a euplectella. Next, Amphidiscophora. Amphidiscophora examples: Hyloneema, we also called glass rope sponge. Its body attached with the any surface, and spicules are also found. Triaxon, hexaaxon spicules are found in this type of Amphidiscophora subclass. Third class is a Demospongia. We see first character Demospongia. compact structure in this type of animals. In this type of animals, Leucon type of canal system found. All activity completed through the this metabolic activity completed through the this Leucon type of canal system. Also, various shape and size found in the class Demospongiae. It's two subclasses. First, Tetraactinomorpha and second, Seractinomorpha. Example of Tetraactinomorpha, Cleona or boring sponge, we call boring sponge. In the Tetraactinomorphas subclass, tetra and mono axon spicules are found, and Seractinomorpha, it's an example of Euspongia, we also called both sponge, and it's also example of Spongilla. It's a value like as a commercial value. We use like as a both sponge. In a spongia, spongin fibers and silicate spicules are found. So I hope you understand character of class Calcarea, Hylospongii and Demospongiae. So we see this type classification of phylum Porifera. I hope you understood this classification. If you understood this classification, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.